What's going on, guys? Just putting out this short video going over this trade in London, late London session. You know, took this trade earlier. I just exited just like 15 minutes ago. um, could have managed this trade better. Executed here. I realized that we're having a market maker buy model. Let me open this up. So this recent MT5 update actually got the charts to be working a bit smoother. So I can now run the 1 minute time frame on MT5. So here we had this leg running up. We run the previous daily high here because we had gapped up from the Asian session because this is Monday's price action. We opened all the way over here with a nice gap up, ran up from this level until we finally rolled over in London session. We ran the previous daily high, like I said, right around here, came up, did all of this manipulation, all of this overshoot. Could have caught buys all the way here because London session actually started right Frankfurt here, then London here. We traded all the way up, and right after this would have been three. This would have been the 250. Hold on, let me check. Actually, it would have been 350 to 410 macro inside of here. I didn't get the entry here. This would have been the better entry. I woke up and saw the trade here. So I got on the computer here. I took two sales. I almost flipped my bias to buy. I took a small loss here, and we traded real quick down into this level before retracing. I thought we were going to retrace, even though my target was this low right here initially. You know, target was this low. So if I go to the 15-minute time frame over on this side, this was the low here, and then now Asia's low would have been here. This is where I had the full TP, but the psychology get the better of me, and I still close a little bit early because I closed here when I saw that we weren't running these lows, even though I had my TP down here. But it is what it is. So we induced these lows, and then we came back to just smash through them, and now we are retracing. So it was a nice trade overall. I made 1.5% on the account, so we take time crawling back up. It would have been overall probably a 4% trade if I had held the full position. But this kind of shit me out because we've been sitting here in this consolidation for a little while now, and I see the candles just shaking around. Every time I go up, we come back down. So when I saw this candle pushing up, I exited because I say since this one didn't take it out, I thought this one would have flipped here. And when we decided to reverse, because if you see this one line up with this, I think we would have gone down, but it was only retracing back to this level, which would have been this order block right here. It came back only to test it, and I exited. I take an Excel here, but I realized it was a bit impulsive. So I just got out. I just got out, you know. But I'm only seeing this order block now in hindsight. Some of the time when you're in the trades, you're not seeing all of these things, these criteria to support the trade until after your exit. So this is just a short video going over that little bit of price action. I don't know what we're going to get for New York, but I'll be pretty much done for the day. Because I will be at work in New York unless I find a really clean setup, then I might not trade it. So this is a nice sell. I should have just partial here and just left a runner. Would have worked out a bit better for me. But nevertheless, it is what it is. I'm just trying to get this account back into profit before I can start trading it the right way again. So I know I shouldn't take that approach to it, but the psychology, like I said. But that's it for this video. I will do a full breakdown and review when I get home from work later, reviewing the entire day. That is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching.